Hi students, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. By using this channel, I'm creating some educational videos. Along with the educational videos, I'm creating some puzzles and along with the puzzles, you are going to see so many max videos, which is going to be helpful. So today we are going to create one video which is called a data science program. Let's see what is that. Before going into the discussion, please share, like, comment in my channel. So first of all, what is data science in simple words? Data science is going to provide a meaningful information based on large amounts of complex data. Complex data is nothing but big data. So the data science is going to work on different fields and to make your data, like in whatever the way you want to present it in a simple manner, that is going to be happen with the help of data science. So in data science we are going to use one program called Python, and for the Python we are going to use one thing that is called DF. DF is nothing but data frame. It is a two-dimensional labeled data structure with columns of potentially different types. You can think of it as spreadsheet or SQL table or editor of series objects. It is generally the most commonly used pandas object. So data frame is nothing but like DF we will use to call, not data frame. So this data frame, think that it is just a spreadsheet or a sheet or a table. You want to show that the entire information we have. If you want to show the entire information, we have to write a very big code for that. So instead of that, if we use just Python pandas, it is going to represent the whole table and it is going to show instead of taking much time. So that's what we are going to see today. So we are just going to take one data from my system, and that data is going to show in the form of a table, and then with the help of that data we are going to draw a graph. So to do all these things, I just want to open my Jupyter Notebook, which is going to be installed in your PC. So if you just click it on, you will get Jupyter Notebook is going to open like this, and then it is going to open in Google Chrome. Okay, so this is the place where all my things are going to be there in my system. So this one, and I'm just going to open. Already I opened a new Python notebook. Now I'm going to open one more Python notebook. So okay, I'll just open one new Python notebook over here. Just select new Python, and it is going to open like this. So for this I'm going to write the code as import pandas, and then df is equal to, because we already discussed that, data frame, and this data frame I have to write pandas dot read underscore excel, and here in this codes I have to show the path where my pandas notebook is going to be, from where I want to import the Excel sheet. So I just selected and copy pasted the location, and here you have to write df. Here what is the meaning of df? This sheet is going to show, we are asking Python to show that sheet. So now we are going to get a sheet like this. See, 100 rows of 3 columns, 1 2 3 columns, and like this you have 100 rows, and it just given first 5 rows and the last 5 rows it just given. So it is executed in the form of a table, right? Now for this, my question is, I have to so we are just going to draw a graph for this. So how to draw a graph? Import Plotly. So coming to our question, I just asked the pandas, I just wanted px. Px is nothing but like your figure should come in that way. And next is import plotly dot graph underscore objects as go. So I just asked the objects also. So now here my data frame means I'm asking a sheet name, my own name I can give. So that is stock underscore df, and I'm just saying that it is in the location, and in that investment type. See here I just have the column investment type, and whatever the things are there, stocks, Reliance, ITC and Asian Paints. So those names I should write, and stock underscore df I'm just asking it to show me. So first we will see whether it is going to show or not. To show this, I have to comment this too. How to comment is nothing but control plus backward slash, and now if you just press control enter, it is going to be executed, and Python executed this. See I have the data like this from 4th July to till 5th September. The data is there here. Reliance, ITC, Asian Paints. Means what? It is going to show only Reliance, ITC, Asian Paints, because we asked stock underscore DF. Now we are going to uncomment this, and now we will see what will happen for this, and control enter. So here it is showing a dark circle, nothing but it is executing. So Python is under kernel is busy, means I'm just executing whatever the thing you written. I'm just trying to understand, so please wait, it is saying to us. Okay, now what I asked, figure is nothing but I just asked in the form of a graph. And px dot scatter, of course you all know that scatters, and stock underscore df. Which figure I'm asking? Stock underscore df. I have to write the name of the figure name. And how I asked x-axis, y-axis, and colors also, because I have 3 different stocks names I just selected. So that is the reason I just color based on this investment type. And title of my graph, I just want to know what graph I am drawing. And then update dot underscore traces is equal to mode is nothing but here. See, can you able to see? Whenever I'll keep a point, you are going to get traces. So this is the way you can able to see it. So for example, if you want only Reliance, you want to see only Reliance, just select this ITC and select this Asian Paints. Those two will go, and this blue color is going to show Reliance. Okay. And now if I want to see only ITC, just click on this. Now you are going to get only ITC. Now if you want to see Asian Paints, just select this. Select Reliance and ITC. Now what will happen? You are going to observe only Asian Paints. Now I want to see all the 3 stocks all together. Just select on that. If you just click on that, you'll get all these things. In this way, you can able to see this is a line graph. We just drawed a line graph. Okay, I just selected a line graph to draw. So that is the reason it is showing this. So here we done in this video, we just learned 2 things. One is how to get a data frame from my computer and how a pandas is going to show it. And next is how to draw a line graph by using the data frame. DF is nothing but like one paper, like Excel sheet. Okay, I hope you all understand what I said. I just need your comments. Please share your valuable comments to me. All the comments are valuable for me. Please write a comment. Please post a comment for me. Stay home, stay healthy. No need to come outside. If anyone wants to come outside, please follow SMS. I think you all know what is SMS. First S meaning is sanitization, M means mask, and S means social distance. If you maintain this, corona will never come and touch us. Thank you for watching.